everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use the RevAir. Now some of you may have heard of it, some of you may not have heard of it, but I love this. I love this. I've been using this very recently because it's expensive. This is the price. But I really like how this works on my hair. If you're someone who doesn't like tangling or the pulling on your hair when you're trying to dry your hair, well, I think this solves a lot of the problems. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use the RevAir. So if you want to see how I use the RevAir, well, just keep on watching. I have finished washing my hair. I just, put them in two little twists. I am going to start drying this side of my hair. First, I'm going to put in some leave-in cream in my hair. On their website, it mentions to prep your hair by using small amounts of leave-in products. But oils is a no-no. Use oils after the RevAir. So don't put in oils before you use the RevAir. Put in leave-in creams or conditioners or whatever leave-in spray or something. Just leave in, but not oils. I'm going to be using one of my favorite leave-in creams. It's the Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-in Cream by African Pride. It's their Moisture Miracle line. The website, it says just to use small amounts, so I'm gonna try my best to use just small amounts. So just rub it into your hair so you get your hair lightly moisturized before drying. Okay, now I'm going to section part of my hair. I'm going to use my tail comb and two little hair ties just to help keep the hair out of the way. And I will catch up the rest with a hair tie. And just a little reminder, it's very important to make sure your hair is detangled before you use the RevAir. To control the heat, setting 1 is for low heat and setting 2 is for high heat. For the tension, if you have kinky, coily hair, 6 and 7 is the best, and the switch on the back of the device is to turn it on or off. So for me personally, I've damaged my hair in so many ways in the past, and that includes heat damage. So to just take time with my hair, I'm starting at the lowest setting, 1, and I will work my way up as I go along later on, but for at least the beginning of just drying my hair and keeping it at low heat at resistance 6. The RevAir works relatively quickly, so in the beginning, I do 30 to 40 seconds on different sections of my hair, but as my hair gets more and more dry, I do decrease the time that is required because, it's less sweat. Less time is needed. But all I do is rest my hand on the armrest and it's so easy. So this is how part of my hair is looking. Honestly, yeah. Using with the leave-in cream makes a difference because the last 2 times I tried it, I didn't use a leave-in cream, but with the leave-in cream, yes, it feels much softer. I like this. I'm going to try a bigger section. I thought I broke my tail comb a while ago. Now, I know I just made a whole big commentary on starting with low heat. We don't want heat damage. La la la. Yeah, I still stand by that. However, I forgot to flip the switch, so I'm actually drying my heat on 2. I don't even realize it at this moment. You see me smiling? I didn't even know I was on the second setting. So yeah, we're gonna keep it pushing, but thankfully, the second setting, it did not damage my hair. My hair still looked pretty healthy. I was, still pretty happy with it. So I guess that's safe to say that the second setting of the RevAir is still safe even immediately on wet hair. Now I'm just quickly drying half of my head, and look at that, guys. Wet hair versus dried with RevAir. It was so easy, it was so simple. Now I've just quickly done my entire head and I'm applying rosemary oil to my scalp, giving it a quick massage. But I completely love this device, guys. It just made my wash day process so much easier, so much faster, less breakage, because there's no breakage involved when you use the RevAir in your hair. But honestly, my RevAir process was only this easy because of how tangle-free my hair was. If you want to see how I keep my hair tangle-free, check out my detangling video and my wash day video. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't, and remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Bye!